everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and of course I have another hair review for you guys, and this is from Luvme Hair, which I've worked with before a couple times. So this is the packaging. Really love the packaging. Now I'm gonna unbox and show you guys what came in this box. Apart from the wig, I'm gonna just show you guys what else came. So I asked for them today, this time around for our collaboration, to do a bang review. So I would take out and show you guys how this bang looks. Okay, you get this. So they gave us a wig cap with a pack of 2. They also provided a little brochure which they typically put with every package. So tips on products usage, among other things. For the pouch, I'm gonna just take out and show you guys what came in here. So they provided this headband headscarf that you would use to lay your wig down, and an extra headband, some pins, a tweezer, an edge brush on one side, comb on the other, and they also provided us with their Luvme pen. Okay, so this is how the bangs look. So they have long pieces here, and of course the bang itself. I like the thickness. It's not too thick and it's not too thin as well. This is the wig. So this wig is a 13x4 HD invisible lace wig. It is 24 inches in length, and I believe it is 150% density, and of course it's in the body wave texture. So I'm gonna allow you guys to see the lace of this wig before I get into the construction. And this is how the hairline is on the sides of the wig, and at the front this is how the hairline is. So basically, if you guys watch, I did a review for this, I believe the same wig, but it was just not shorter length, and the knots were bleached, but these do not appear to be bleached. These knots are definitely not bleached, and I don't know, I feel like the hairline isn't as plucked, or it could just be that the knots, because the knots aren't bleached, that it shows up like the hairline to be a lot thicker. So like usual, it comes with 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the center, 1 comb at the back. This wig doesn't have any lace at the back, so you get 2 adjustable straps. This is a plus for me. A next adjustable strap, so it's hooked on and you could remove it to make the wig extra secure, which I really like. I guess if you want to do a glueless kind of install. Okay, so basically I just took off the scarf, and now I'm gonna get these bands and put them on. and obviously I'm gonna fix up the ponytail. But just so you guys could see, this is how it's constructed. So it snaps into place when you bend it like that, and opens when you snap it like that. And let me just allow you guys to see how the hairline is looking. So I don't think I cleaned this up properly, but I mean, as you guys could see, the hairline needed a lot more plucking to be done. I did do some plucking. Apart from that, the hairline needs to be bleached to make it more seamless, but whatever. So I'm gonna get a flat iron and kind of bend these. Alright, so I don't know if you guys could see, so this is how it looks. You're definitely gonna need to cover this up with some hair, but I'm just gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna be taking some pictures in this, so it's not really a concern. Wow, I love these bangs. Honestly, they are perfect. Now I'm gonna add some curls throughout the length of this hair. I don't know how I feel about these. I don't know. Are y'all feeling these bangs? I don't know. I mean, the bangs are cute, but I don't know if this hairstyle suits me. So this is the final look, guys. I should probably add some curls to the very end of the hair, you know. So let's see how you guys will see. So this is kind of how I got the curls to be. It's a lice for you want to give it vibes. This is how long the hair is at the front on me right now. Okay, so it just makes sense me ending off this video just talking about all the details of the hair, like the pros, the cons, and whatnot with this wig. So for pros, fast shipping. The hair is soft, the hair curls. I can't talk about shedding because I did not comb through this wig. I did do some plucking to this hairline. So now let me get into the cons and address that. So what I realized is, if you guys watch my previous review that I did with Love Me Hair, it is the same wig that I got, but it was a shorter length. That when I got that wig, the lace is the same in my opinion, I believe so, but the hairline, the knots were bleached, and I believe like it was more plucked than how it is now. So that now what I would say is a con for me, because I'm gonna have to do some plucking, I'm gonna have to do some bleaching to the hairline, which I did not have to do. But this is how the hairline is. You're gonna have to bleach the knots and probably do some plucking to get a much more natural look. But that is my one and only con with this wig. I did not really see much short hairs throughout this wig. Like I said, the hair is soft. Oh yeah, and another pro is I really like that the hair gave me like an extra band, and this also had an extra band in the wig that I could use for extra security, I guess, if you wanted to do a glueless install. Now for the bangs. So the bangs are the bangs, I really love these bangs. Like at face front, they look really good. Did not have to customize the bangs whatsoever. I mean, you could based on the style like you want, but this is perfect for me. However, my only con is, I don't know if you guys could see, it is visible. This piece here is visible if I was to bend down, and you could look from above, like it looks like it's just sitting on top of my head. So I guess like for something like that, you could get some hair. I would suggest, if you want to, you could get some hair, cut it from the lace and to cover this if you want, but I don't want to do that. So this is how we're gonna take it, and this is how we're gonna leave it. Okay, so I feel like that's all I have to say about this wig. Overall, I really love this hair. The hair is beautiful, it's amazing, it's long. The 24 inches is long on me. Please bear in mind I'm 5'2", so how it looks on me, the length it looks on me might not look the same length on you based on your height, but overall we did that. Love me, we did that. Beautiful wig.